The power of altar and sacrifices. We're going to read in the book of 2 Kings, chapter number 3, verse 13, all the way to verse 27. 2 Kings, chapter number 3, all the way, verse number 13 to 27. And deliberately I'm doing this because of what you have seen 2 or 3 days happening in Kenya. You've seen the president was at Jesus Winner, and from then there has been chaos, and Jesus Winner ministry is like it is going down. The president has given money to many places, but it has never enlisted the fire that you are seeing in Jesus Winner. And it is a very coincidental thing that the president gave 20 million. He was in Eldoret, he gave 20 million. Before that, he was in Machakos, in another church, he gave 20 million. What is so coincidental with the 20 million? Does it mean all these pastors, we want 20 millions? Does it mean that I want 20 million? Then we should present ourselves and tell RUTO, I also need my 20. But 20 million is not what you think. Going to Winner's church, you are Jesus Winner, and going to ACK in Eldoret, AIC, and going to another church he went before that, it was in somewhere in Ukambani. Those, when they started their campaigns, those are the churches they visited. Those are the churches that prophesied their wins. At Jesus Winner, they went and knelt down and they were prayed for. And the pastor said, Nimeona mumeshida. At the AIC in Eldoret, that is where he took his sacrifice when he was stood down. And the bishop there prophesied. Before he did that, he had gone to AIC Mulimani here, where there was it a launch or a fundraiser also? He also gave 20 million. The same AIC Milimani, that is where Moi used to go. That is where Moi used to visit. That is the altar of the power that was with Moi. But the altar that propelled them in the prophetic word that caused them to become the leaders of this nation is at Jesus Winner's ministry. So I want you to understand this.